In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a call scheduling feature to LeadPages. Whether you're looking to boost your lead conversion rates or streamline your scheduling process, stick around, because I'll also share some alternatives that might work even better for your goals, and you'll want to see the exclusive trial offers at the end. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to set up an account with LeadPages, and if you don't have one yet, it's time to grab that. The key to adding a call scheduling feature is integrating it with a third-party scheduling tool like Calendly or Acuity. LeadPages doesn't have a native call scheduling option, so let's work around that. Now, next thing you'll do is head to your LeadPages editor, where you'll be customizing the landing page where you want to add the call scheduling feature. Once you're in the editor, find the place where you want the scheduling option to go. Typically, this will be somewhere above the fold, but feel free to experiment. Then, you'll click on the widget or section where you want to add the scheduling option and select Add HTML. This is where you'll be embedding your scheduling tool, and here's where it gets interesting. The fourth thing you'll do is grab the embed code from your scheduling tool, be it Calendly, Acuity, or another service, and paste it into that HTML section. This can be found in your scheduling tool settings. Once pasted, make sure to save the page and preview it. You'll notice that the scheduling tool now appears on your page. However, let's talk about some of the limitations with this approach. LeadPages, as great as it is for landing pages, doesn't offer deep customization when it comes to integrating external tools. You're kind of stuck with whatever options those tools give you. That said, if you want a more seamless experience, let's talk alternatives. Instead of sticking with LeadPages for call scheduling, consider using software like ClickFunnels or even a tool like HubSpot. These offer a much more integrated approach for adding call scheduling to your funnel with better customization options. So, while LeadPages works in a pinch, these alternatives might give you the added flexibility and control you're looking for. So, let's wrap up. If you're still keen on using LeadPages, don't forget that with our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of the platform. But I also want to point out the alternatives I just mentioned. They come with great free trials too and might be better suited for your scheduling needs. In the description, you'll find the best free trial offers and exclusive benefits available only to you as a viewer. Check them out and choose what works best for you.